There are some cars that define an era, and then there is the McLaren F1. Seeing it like this, half buried, forgotten, it feels like looking at a ghost. But underneath 30 years of silt and neglect, the masterpiece is still there. We just have to find it. Every inch is a record of time. The paint is oxidized. The interior is heavy with the scent of damp earth. It's a tragedy in slow motion, but today, the neglect ends. Recovering a car in this state requires a gentle hand. You don't want to break what you're trying to save. The mud is thick, heavy. It doesn't want to let go. Back in the shop, we start with a dry clean. No water yet, just removing the top layer of history to see the true extent of the damage. Every chalk mark is a promise of a future repair. To rebuild the whole, we must first understand the parts. The wheels, the brakes, the suspension, they've done their job. Now, they retire to the dirty zone until they are reborn. Breaking the connection to the past. Every rusty terminal we clear is a step toward a new beginning. The old lifeblood, thick, dark, and heavy. There is something deeply satisfying about letting the neglect finally leave the engine. Then there is the heart, a V12 that hasn't hummed in decades. As the engine leaves the chassis, the car feels lighter, ready for its transformation. The first wash is the most honest moment of a restoration. The mud vanishes, and for the first time in 30 years, we see the carbon fiber skin for what it really is. With the engine on the stand, we finally get to look inside. Removing the valve covers is the first step in diagnosing 30 years of silence. Cleaning away the sludge is a slow, meditative ritual. We're not just removing oil, we're uncovering the precision engineering hidden beneath the neglect. Inside the engine, there is no room for error. Every bolt is torqued to a specific rhythm. We aren't just cleaning parts, we are restoring the soul of the machine. Power is nothing without a smooth delivery. We pack the new joints with fresh grease, the sound of long-term protection. Stopping this car is just as critical as starting it. New seals, a tight fit, bringing the safety of the F1 back to factory standards. In the dirty zone, the transformation continues, sanding away the corrosion, layering the primer. It's a slow, repetitive process, but in the repetition, there is peace. Now, the pieces return home. Everything is clean, tight, and perfect. The dirty zone is finally empty. One final layer of color, one final polish. The ghost is gone, the legend is back.